Right, 1.34 grams of choline bitartrate.
Where's our choline, mate?
One of these little ones, I think.
What is the flavour ones? Calcium, vitamin D, vitamin K1, 100 milligrams.
Now,
Are these
I can
pills?
actually
Oh,
get-
these are pills.
Yeah, they are.
So is this a day's worth here?
Yeah, this is a day's worth. And I haven't had any breakfast.
What time are you going to go to bed?
Probably like 11. Oh, that is a light fucking scoop. Super dizzy this time.
I've got work
It says this is a
tomorrow.
1 milliliter scoop.
Let me smell that. Wow. Let me smell it again.
No! You will die!
What was it? I'm trying to think of what I can compare the smell
Fish. Smells like fish and chemicals.
to. It does.
Oh, thank God we're only putting 1.34 grams in. Can you imagine if it's like 200 grams? Choline was like, oh, no. We're going to have to Google what the fuck that is. Set this to 0. It's not detecting any change right now.
I think we generally should have measured everything out individually and then mixed it all together out
Still
at the
hasn't
end.
determined that that's a gram.
Oh, you got another scoop that put in what, 2 grams?
Putting 3 grams in it. Oh, I feel like that must be a gram already.
I don't know how heavy this substance is. There you go, that's enough.
Sod it, I'm gonna assume that's enough because like I don't want to put too much fucking fish in it. Oh, we need to get some milligram scales. I'll have a Google today. 10.7 grams of potassium gluconate.
Is this pills?
No, this is powder. I want potassium citrate for my recipe, as although it's more expensive, there's a higher concentration of potassium per gram, which I think overall makes it cheaper, or about the same, but also potassium citrate helps prevent kidney stones, and they are one of my greatest fears. As I said to Sash the other day, if I ever get a kidney stone, I want you to take a gun and just shoot me in the head. Oh, this is sealed for my protection, but it's also like sealed. Oh.
For your prevention.
Yeah, maybe I shouldn't be having this. Maybe that's just like, if you can't open it, then really you need to reevaluate whether you should be put in charge of this product. Just.
Ugh.
How many grams is this? Like, smells alright. Smells quite nice actually. Potassium. Now apparently potassium is what gives people major headaches when they up their potassium intake rapidly. If I get major headaches, then I will bring the potassium down. But right now I am sticking to the recipe.
I have heard that. Like, if you have too many bananas, you like get really.
But I mean, it's just because most people apparently don't actually have the appropriate potassium intake. So what's this?
Well, at the moment,
2.7 grams.
I have at least 2 bananas a day. So
Now we want 3.51 grams of table salt.
awesome. Salty, salty, salty. I love salt in my porridge. Do you prefer your porridge salty or sweet?
Salty.
Really?
Yeah.
It's fine.
Right, then 1 pill.
People tend to not have enough salt in their diets
That's
because
the
everyone's
fish
scared of
stuff.
it.
1 pill. Which again, I am considering just taking these pills separately. Because that's what you're supposed to do, right?
No. But
Oh, actually what he does, 'cause
He-
I can open it, these pills are full of powder.
yeah, he opens the pills. How are you going to crush the vitamins though? That's the only question I'm wondering.
Don't know yet.
Ooh, I wonder if I can get a nice shot of this. Probably not. Okay.
Do people put that in their mouths?
Or just like a plastic capsule?
Yeah, I think they do.
And what, do they spit it out?
No, they
They-
just swallow it and then it dissolves in your stomach, doesn't it? I hope that's not got any precious nutrients in it.
Right.
And then one vitamin pill.
Vitamin.
Which again,
Vitamin.
I mean, I don't know if these are slow release or not. It doesn't say slow release. But if it's slow release...
Sure, that's a good thing if it's slow release, because that means you're getting
Yeah,
the
but
vitamins.
but that means you can't grind it up.
Why?
Because it slowly releases things as it dissolves in your stomach. But it does not say anywhere. It just says like, avoid excessive heat. Don't use if the seal's broken. Take 1 tablet daily, or as directed by physician. Freshness and potency guaranteed. No lactose, no artificial colour flavor. So I mean, I could just neck one of these in the morning with breakfast. Is what I'm thinking with my breakfast Soylent. Just like chuck one of those back.
That's huge.
They are big.
Oh, but that's not the recipe.
I do
Tom.
concur. I like the idea of just having one whole solid drink. I used to have a Mortram. So
Oh yeah, I remember that. Where's that gone?
I don't know.
Oh, seriously, where has that gone?
I don't know.
Actually, no. What I'm remembering is the one in my mum's house. What about like a bottle of beer?
Oh my god! I tell you what, 50.
No, we're not. We're not using a cheese grater.
Why not?
It just wouldn't work. Just smash it with one of these.
Alright. Oh man, I was going to have a couple of these last night. I forgot.
See?
Oh yeah. Right, that's on my list then, to find a more refined way of crushing vitamins rather than using a shepherd neem.
I can't believe this has taken
I mean, this
nearly
is
30
everything.
minutes
Look at all the
now.
precious vitamins in there.
This is supposed to be quicker than cooking. Like, I could have cooked something in under 30 minutes.
Alright. It's just because we haven't refined the process. We're not too good. We've not got proper scales. Oh, let's get the fish in there.
So why did you buy those scales? You're just going to buy other scales now?
Because I needed some scales for today. And literally every single shop was like, these are the only scales you will ever need. Salter scales. They're the best scales ever. No, they're not.
What's this?
If Salter want to get in touch and sponsor us, they can. But unless they give us awesome milligram scales, Salter scales are terrible and you shouldn't use them.
Shall we add a bit of hot chocolate?
No!
But you do your famous hot chocolate teas.
Oh my god, that fish stuff is just overpowering it now. I'm worried. I've gone from fantastic, delicious liquid cake vanilla-y smell. I think I went OTT on the show line though. Right, that's that. And then we need 36 grams of rapeseed oil when we come to
Drink it.
drink it, yeah. So here's what I was thinking.
Oh, we still haven't figured out a way to like contain and carry rapeseed oil.
No, I'll get to that.
If the one person that watches this has any idea, please leave a comment.
Right. So that's that then. We reckon that's thoroughly mixed?
Really? I guess so.
Do we think?
Are we just not using the blender at all now?
Yeah, we are. Huh?
Do you know how much a third of...
Yeah, I do.
Okay, what's a third then?
It says in his recipe. Oh, 1 day is 402 grams. So he uses 134 grams of powder
Oh, it smells of fish.
and 12 grams of oil. What are you doing?
Weighing it so I can figure out how much a third of it is.
He says that it should be about 402 grams that altogether.
I can't see that number still.
529, which is fine because it's got the bowl as well.
Yeah, so how much is a third of that then?
Just wait, he says use 134 grams of powder with 500 millilitres of water and 12 grams of oil.
Oh,
So-
stinks of fish, Tom.
I know. I think I'm happy about this in any way.
I thought you were used to that fishy smell.
Classic straight joke there, Trevor.
What's the time? Because I'm going to my mum's for a nice cooked roast later on.
I don't know what the time is. Soylent time. Way past breakfast time. Uh-oh.
You do have scoops for this.
I do. than 134 grams of powder. We need 500 millilitres of water and 12 grams of oil.
That on its own smells less fishy.
Good.
I think you didn't.
It does, yeah. Right. Okay, so what are we doing?
I don't know.
12 grams of oil now. Oops, we can't take that away, but we can take that away. 500 millilitres of water, 12 grams of oil.
Where's the oil? Here's the oil. What do you want to do first? Water or oil?
Oil, I think. So we get like a cup or something, a glass, to contain like 12 grams of oil in.
You really don't need to use a whole pint glass.
We don't. We could use a half pint.
Or even a tumbler.
It's tasty.
What's it smell like?
It's 19 grams. It smells like oil, like seeds.
Let me smell it out.
Oil went up at 12 grams. 16 grams.
It smells like oil and like seeds. Let me smell it.
Smell.
I don't want to touch it. Okay, well, yeah, that's oil and seeds is
Yeah.
literally the only way you can explain it.
Right.
Very nutty though. It was a lot more nutty than oily.